Hi everyone. Today we want to present and show about our museum. First, our museum theme is nature. The name of museum is Shooting Wife Museum. We want to present about shooting environment through the picture. The Argent Déubit. This picture is spread at Museum d'Orsay in Paris, painted in 1874. The size of the picture is 800 times 600 centimeter. The painter is Carl Ruth Monet. Type of this picture is oil on canvas. This picture made me feel relaxed. While going on a real river trip, it felt comfortable on the eyes. It really made me want to travel there. Rainy season in the tropic. This picture is spread at the Young Museum in the United States of America. Painted in 1866. The size of this picture is 2139.95 times 1428.25 inch. The painter is Frederick Edwin Crush. The try of this picture is painting. This picture makes me feel happy because personally I like things that are natural when it's raining. When I look at the picture, make me feel more relaxed after going through bad things.
This landscape resonates with a vigor and freshness of vision central to the development of Impressionism. Most apparent here in artists' descriptions of the effects of sunlight. Midday sun suffuses the panorama, its intensity heightening the artist's palette and suppressing incidental detail to clarify the crowded scenes in the city. Look at the landscape. It looks like it represents people traveling in the city, while the music you listen to might make you feel continuous and less like traveling or journey that it never ends in our lives. This painting seems to be just a normal picture of a tree with flowers blooming, but it gives us the feel when we will it. It gives us the relaxation, eye-catching feel like we've been in a flower garden. These pictures were drawn by Van Gogh as he hoped that the flower he painted in the series would sell well, because he believed that this painting had the power to cheer everyone up. Did you know? Human was born to be in nature. You may notice that it makes us feel great when we look at a flower or tree. And of course, it can be used for psychotherapy. So, while we listen to the music and watching the painting, which give us the feelings of relaxation and tranquility together, it would be a powerful healing effect.
Palette of Bronze, Royal Garden in Seville is a painting by Joaquin Sorolla that was created using the painting technique of oil on canvas and size 82.5 times 105.5 cm. The corner painting of the Bronze Palette in the Royal Garden in Seville give a feeling in intimacy and tranquility. The painting composition highlights the detail of the water reflection, give feeling of calm, relaxation, and inspiration. Plant pot in the painting give the impression of being in a natural environment. La Sertai is a painting by Joaquin Sorolla that was created using the painting technique of oil on canvas and size 201 x 200 cm. The word La Siesta is the Spanish word for lie down during the day. We did a painting of his family at leisure during the summer. When we look at the picture, it reminds us about the summer. It is a happy time to feel free, intimate, colorful, fun, relaxed, and wanting to spend some time together.
Poplars in the Sun, painted by Claude Monet in 1891. This picture located in the National Museum of Western Art, Tokyo. Monet works depict the same motif which changes in light or composition. The special characteristics of this work are the three large poplars shown in the foreground of the image, and the bright lively impressions given by the blue of the sky, the white of clouds and the greens and rose color of the trees, which made this picture feel very relaxing and immerse yourself in nature. The Fog at Polville, painted by Claude Monet in 1882. This picture located in the Art Institute of Chicago, USA. The painting depicts what is believed to be Monet's future stepdaughter, taking a stroll at the edge of French countryside. The landscape features a small blurred figure of the girl in the midst of colorful wildflowers overlooking a calm blue sea. Feeling about this picture are the calming, careful, relaxing mixed with slight nostalgia. The viewer can almost feel the soft sunny breeze and the smell of salty sea water and sweet of wildflowers. And this is all of our museum. We hope you all will enjoy the music that helps you to be more accessible to the meaning of each picture in our museum. Realize the beauty and the meaning of the painting that we intend for you to see today. Thank you.